So the first thing I did was delete this sprite 1 cat sprite and create a hitbox for my character. The hitbox is basically like something on is basically like a box. It can be any color. I'm just choosing black. It's basically a box that controls your character movement. And I'm gonna make a sprite called platforms and just draw the platform. Easy. The first thing I'm gonna do is in the platform script, I'm gonna put one flag clicked forever and go to x0, y0. And I'm giving myself a challenge to not press the save button or the green flag button until I'm finished. Okay, so one flag in the player sprite, I'm gonna do one flag clicked. Gonna make two variables. Delete this. Make two variables. Speed x parentheses sx. Wait, wrong way. Did it the wrong way. Speed x, and right here I'm supposed to put sx. Sx speed x. Oops. Dang it! I need to delete this again. Sx speed x for this sprite only, and sy speed y for this sprite only. So what I'm gonna do at the beginning is set speed x to 0, set sy to 0, go to 0, 0, and set rotation style to left, right. Next, what I'm gonna do is grab a forever loop, create a custom block called run game, and I'm gonna click run without screen refresh. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and put in the define run game block, I'm gonna put change speed y by -1 forever. And since this is in a forever loop, this is basically just simulating the gravity for now. Next, what I'm gonna do is grab an if statement. So if key right arrow pressed, then change speed x by 2. I'll just keep it at 1 for now. And if key left arrow pressed, change speed x by -1. For friction, I'm gonna put set speed x to 0.2 speed x times 0.7. And next, I'm gonna put change x by speed x. Next, I'm gonna put an if statement. This is basically gonna be slope detection for now. So if touching platforms, I'm gonna put change y by 1. I'm gonna duplicate it and put it in this, and put it in the first if touching platform script 8 times, like this. So for now I have it for 5. I'm gonna duplicate this, put it for 8.
Oh, sorry.
What? No, it doesn't matter. It's good. Okay, next what I'm gonna do under this is just to revert these changes. I'm gonna put if touching platform is good. I'm gonna put change y by -8, and this is basically gonna be wall detection. And in this, I'm also going to put the wall jumping. So repeat until not touching. Repeat until not touching platforms. Then change y. Change x by speed x times -1. This will basically turn speed x into a negative value. And yeah. So then I would put if key up arrow pressed. So if key up arrow pressed, I'm gonna put set speed y and put set speed y to 10. And I'm gonna get another if else statement and put if the speed x is less than 0. What I'm gonna do is set speed x to 16 so that you bounce, so that if you're touching a wall, you bounce. Wow. So yeah, basically, so if you're touching a wall, you bounce. Next, what I'm gonna do under this is get another if state. Is get a change y by in the motion and put speed y. Next, what I'm gonna do is if touching. Remember they did the same thing to you last time, right? And then it was something. And if touching platforms. You check again to make sure, and then that's it. Yeah, and if touching platforms, I'm going to put repeat until not touching platforms. I'm gonna put. Next, I'm gonna put change y by speed y times -1. Yeah, change y by speed y times -1. Sorry, I just got off track there a little bit. So next, what I'm gonna do under this repeat until loop is put set speed y to 0. So basically that if you're touching the ground, you don't move. Next, what I'm gonna put is the jumping mechanism. So we're gonna put change y by -1, because if I fall, then I wouldn't be touching the ground because I would be 1 pixel up. I think it would be because of this script or the slope script. So then I'm gonna get an and. I'm gonna get a key press and a touch sensor. So if you're touching the platforms and key up arrow pressed, then you're going to set speed y. Then I'm gonna set speed y to 14 so I can have a jumping mechanism. I'm gonna duplicate this change y by -1, delete these 5 blocks, and do this change y by 1. Now if I try this now, it should work. I'm gonna try and add a wall. Yeah, I'm gonna try and add a wall to see if the wall jumping part works. And I'm going to lower the size of this hitbox real quick so it can be smaller. And let's try it. And we have wall jumping. And the reason I'm so excited about this is because when I tried recording this last time, the wall jumping didn't work and you could just slide up the walls. I probably should have kept that because the character, basically what I'm planning for this game is the character is a cat, and that's all I'm telling you for now. And I basically want it to be the cat can slide up walls, and that was what was happening in the in the tutorial when I tried. Not in the tutorial, when I tried recording this video for the first time, that's what happened, and I didn't want that to happen. So, yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll be doing a part 2 and releasing a part 2 today as well. So, I hope you enjoyed. See you guys next time.